Welcome, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your Apex Pro TKL colors on your keyboard. So basically what you'll need to do is have SteelSeries Engine GG and go to the engine, then select your Apex Pro TKL, and basically, as you can see, to edit lighting settings, you can go to illumination and change it right here. But what I advise to you is go to the prism because it has way more options from the modes, from the default modes. So now what I will do is click on the setting cog, and basically right here, I will disable RTX Nova 3 and just enable it only TKL keyboard. And now right here, I will be able to change the, as you can see, the modes or the chasing ghost and etc. So I can change the modes, I can change the brightness, I can change layer and etc. And basically that's how it works. If you don't like that, as I said, you can just go to illumination and create your own illumination right here. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.